Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood warning for the Assunpink Creek at Trenton until Friday morning, or until the warning is canceled. At 5:45 p.m. Wednesday, the stage was 8.2 feet. Flood stage is 8.5 feet. Moderate flooding is forecast. Rise above flood stage by this evening and continue to rise to near 10.2 feet by tomorrow morning. The river will fall below flood stage by early Friday morning. Impact at 10.0 feet. Mulberry Street floods. Evacuations possible.